Hello and welcome back, friends. Today we begin our journey into one of the most loved finance books, The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. This is Chapter 1, No One's Crazy. Have you ever seen someone make a money decision and thought to yourself, wow, that's crazy? Here's the truth. It may look crazy to you, but to them, it probably makes complete sense. Why? Because money is not just about numbers or logic. It's about our personal experiences. Think about it. If you grew up in a time of high inflation, watching prices rise every week, you'll always be careful about rising costs. But if you grew up in a world of stable prices, inflation may not even cross your mind. To you, worrying about it sounds, well, crazy. Same world, but totally different lessons. Here's another story. Millions of Americans who lived through the Great Depression were scarred for life. They lost everything, and that fear stayed with them forever. But John F. Kennedy, who grew up in a wealthy family during the exact same period, said he barely even noticed the Depression. His family became richer during that time. Same history, but two completely different experiences. And that's the point. Your personal experience with money is maybe 0.00000000001% of what's happened in the world, but it shapes almost 80% of how you think about money. That's why two smart people can look at the same financial situation and still make opposite decisions. Let's take another example. Lottery tickets. Poor families in the US spend a lot of money on them. From the outside, that looks foolish. But from their perspective, it makes sense. They live paycheck to paycheck. A vacation, a car, or sending their kids to college may feel impossible. So when they buy a lottery ticket, they're not just buying a piece of paper. They're buying a dream, a moment of hope for a better life. Seen that way, it doesn't look so crazy anymore, does it? Here's something else to remember. Most of the things we do with money today, saving for retirement, investing in index funds, or even using student loans, these ideas are actually very new, just a few decades old, which means we're all still learning. We're all beginners in this game. So here's the big lesson from Chapter 1. No one is crazy with money. We all make decisions based on our own unique experiences. What looks silly to you may be completely logical to someone else. Because money isn't just about math, it's about psychology. It's about the stories we carry from our lives. And that wraps up Chapter 1. No one's crazy. In the next video, we'll dive into Chapter 2, Luck and Risk, and explore how chance plays a much bigger role in our financial lives than we often realize. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next chapter. See you there.